Automotive Locksmiths Bray Park. Have you lost your car key? Call Auto Tech Locksmiths for a replacement. If you've locked yourself out, our 24-hour service can help. Our mobile team can also program new remote keys if you've lost your transponder keys. Our automotive services include 1. Car key replacement. 2. Car lockout service. 3. Car remote key replacement. At Auto Tech Locksmiths, we're the trusted locksmith for North Lakes residents and business owners. We operate across Brisbane Northside, offering automotive, commercial, and residential services such as key cutting, rekeying, lock repair, safe locksmithing, and lockout services. Our mobile service provides quick, reliable key cutting and emergency replacements. We also install new security systems and handle emergency repairs. Our team can make keys from code, rekey locks to prevent old keys from working, and offer safe locksmith services, emergency repairs, and new installations.